Hi everyone. Well, the first Samsung Galaxy Fold wound up being an exciting experiment with very mixed results. The foldable phone turned heads because of its ability to transform from phone to tablet. But durability questions remained even after Samsung made several improvements. The Galaxy Fold 2 gives Samsung an opportunity to prove that foldable phones are more than a gimmick. And this new design from the ConceptCreator on YouTube brings the rumors and leaks we've been hearing while stealing some thunder from the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. As you'll see in the video, this Galaxy Fold 2 device sports a huge 1440p AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. And this certainly seems possible given that the Galaxy S20 has a 120Hz display and Note 20 should as well. As Sam Mobile points out, the Galaxy Fold 2 main display may grow from 7.3 inches all the way to 7.7 inches, which would give it the biggest screen of any phone. But the panel in this video stretches to an even larger 7.92 inches. The front display should also be larger than the current small 4.6 inches on today's Galaxy Fold. This concept video shows that the panel takes up more of the front, but not all of it, measuring 5.38 inches. Adding pen support would go a long way towards making better use out of the larger canvas, especially for artists and mobile professionals. In this concept, the pen ejects from the bottom right edge next to the USB-C port. Around back, this Galaxy Fold 2 concept sports a 108-megapixel wide camera, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 20-megapixel telephoto lens, similar to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. There's also dual front-facing cameras when the phone is closed. When unfolded, the phone packs a single punch-hole camera in the upper left corner of the display, which would be an improvement on the huge swooping notch on the right side of the original Fold. These many concepts about Galaxy Fold 2 are enough before its announcing from Samsung. How do you feel about this Galaxy Fold 2 design? You can share your opinions in comments below. Keep subscribe and also take care of yourself. Peace out.